Mike Innovative Door. We're on anti-drop spring job. Broken spring on a Hormann door we put in. There's a busted one right there. Okay. Anti-drop spring jobs are a little different. We have the anti-drop device here with the two collars on there. They have to be taken off and set up differently. Take off the bearing, drum, track, and then there's a key somewhere on the floor. But then you just put all the stuff back on, attach it, recalibrate the anti-drop device, and we're golden. So that's what we're doing here. Anti-drop spring job for all your garage door needs. Call into the door 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. 650 Ogden and Downers. Thanks for watching, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our anti-drop spring job. More details below. Thank you.